What's going on, everybody? We are out here today. We are actually working on the tractor. It's got a flat rear tire, so let me put this down here. We got a valve stem needle tool and needles, because when I take the valve stem cover off, it starts to leak. If you can hear that. But I think it's got a bad needle, so we're going to go ahead and attempt to replace that today. We're going to jack it up so that it is off the weight of the back tire. We ain't going to jack it up all the way, just enough to get some weight off the tire. Hopefully it works. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond.
Okay, got it fixed. I thought it was off the bead, gave it a few kicks, and it got back in place. Just needed the needle core replaced. Got her aired up. She calls for 14 psi. I got it at like 16 right now, so I'll check it in a couple days. But I sprayed it. Can't feel any air going through it, or you don't see it with any soapy water either. So she should be a-okay. We're ready to go back to work. This here is what the needle looks like. So this is the side that goes in the tire, and this is the side that's out. So when you press the air gun against it, it makes that little springing action. And basically what can go bad is there's like a little washer right down here. It's red on this one. Well, right down where the spring is, there's like a little washer, and that can go bad. So that's probably what happened. And then the way that you just take it out is, if it's sitting in the tire like this, you take the tool here, and it's this end, and this end just goes over where it's sideways there, and you can just twist it out and thread it out. So that's how easy it is to replace the center valve. Hopefully this holds up. Hopefully we did it correct. But yeah, she's holding air, so she should be good to drive. Should be good to go. I think that's where we're gonna end today's video. It's probably not long. What I used. I didn't really show you guys much, but I just jacked it up. I got the valve stem back there done and put a new one on. The front did sink in the mud a little bit, but tires aired up, back tires aired up, so all the tires are good on it, and she is ready to rock and roll, which is good because I need to hook it up to a cultivator and do a little bit of measuring and do some planning, and I'm sure I'll have a video about that sooner or later. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, God bless.